On behalf of River Developments, it's my pleasure to present to you Momentum Apartments. Offering a fantastic choice of open plan 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, Momentum is one of Perth's most exciting new development opportunities. Designed by the world-renowned Woods Bagot Architects, each apartment offers open plan living areas with full high glass sliding doors opening directly to spacious private balconies. The kitchens feature stone bench tops, quality finishes and Bosch appliances. All bedrooms feature built-in robes and buyers have a choice of 2 stylish interior packages to choose from. Your Momentum apartment can be customised to suit your individual needs. This includes options such as upgrades to air conditioning, high-quality appliances and timber flooring. Located on Cecil Avenue in the City of Canning, Momentum is perfectly located in a major growth area. Momentum is next to Westfield Carousel Shopping Centre, soon to be the largest shopping centre in Western Australia and Perth's premier shopping destination. With easy access to cinemas, shops, bars and restaurants, everything you need is at your doorstep. Just over 10 kilometres from the CBD, close to public transport and less than 5 kilometres from the Curtin University. These amazing new apartments are right in the heart of Western Australia's most exciting new city centre redevelopment. The City of Canning is undergoing a very exciting revitalisation. At its centre is Momentum's Cecil Avenue location, which is being transformed into a vibrant retail hub with a whole choice of fantastic dining and entertainment options. Pedestrian spaces and bike lanes all feature highly in this state-of-the-art master plan development. Canning City offers all the attractions and conveniences of modern living that will soon earn the title of Perth's most desirable new address. With 1-bedroom apartments starting from just $299,000 and 2 bedrooms from a low $389,000, don't miss this incredible opportunity to buy quality, competitively priced accommodation before Canning City truly takes off. Make the move today and register your interest at momentumapartments.com.au before it's too late.